your password if you forgot it. So to begin, click on Results. Then, obviously we can't enter a password, so please click Forgot Password. Now, if you're connected to the internet, a simple way is to easily click Email. This will send you a HIPAA-compliant email to the email on file. However, if you also know the secret question and secret answer, you can select that. Then, enter the answer, select OK. You'll notice this will allow you to change the password at this time. Go ahead and enter it again for confirmation and select OK. You will notice it goes to the results section now because that's where we clicked to begin with, and your password has been updated. Thank you so much and have a great day. Look forward to helping you when we can. Bye-bye.